Bill DeWeese from voiceoverrevolution.com and BillDeWeese.com. And if you saw my YouTube video yesterday, I talked about finding your voice. Not your niche or niche, but your voice in terms of your point of view, your attitude, the way you see, the way you feel about things, because that's really what connects with the listener. So I'm getting ready to do an audition through an agency. I was just contacted to do this. So I thought I would share with you how I would approach this script. And in all honesty, I try not to overthink scripts. I try to get an initial gut reaction, because the more dissecting that you do, the more analysis that you do, the more you tend to get into your own head. And then you've got all these messages, you're self-directing, 100, 150 different messages going at the same time. And that might be a bit of an exaggeration, but the point is it can really paralyze you, or at the very best, make you sound less than authentic. So what we have here is a script for Liberty Home Equity Solutions. So who am I talking to? Homeowners, age 62 and older, as we can see there. So this is my audience. So as I'm looking at this, I'm thinking, what in this is going to be important to them? Well, certainly freedom. And that is really liberty and freedom. Those are the key words that we're using here. Because as you get older, having the freedom to do as you want becomes more and more of a concern. When you're younger, you don't think about it as much. Typically, when you're older and things financially and physically and even relationally, in terms of having that connectedness to your family as your kids and your grandkids start to move further away, possibly, you become more concerned about your independence and your freedom. So freedom, big. It's a government-insured loan. One thing I would think they would be concerned about would be the security. They want to know that this is a secure thing to do, and then they're not going to get screwed over in the process. And then the other thing, it's not as important, but they can get their funds quickly. So for me, at first blush, first glance, these are the things that stick out to me. So with that in mind, let me tackle the script, and I'm just keying off the word liberty. So finding my voice. What does the word liberty mean to me? What does freedom mean to me? How does that make me feel? What do I associate that with? Well, I'll tell you immediately, the thought that comes to mind is being able to do what I do for a living, to be self-employed, to work from home, to have the freedom to make the choices that I want to build my life and my business. That means a lot to me. So I'm going to allow that feeling, that my point of view on this topic, inform the read. So with that being said, let's take a shot. Actually, it might be nice if I recorded this as well, just in case lightning strikes first time through. Okay, here we go. Liberty. Liberty. It means having the freedom to act as you choose, to pursue your goals, and live the life you envision. Liberty Home Equity Solutions helps homeowners age 62 and older access a portion of their equity in their homes through a home equity conversion mortgage, also known as a reverse mortgage. It's a government-insured loan with the benefits of a traditional home equity loan without the monthly payments. You can get the funds you need quickly. Most Liberty loans close in 60 days or less. You can choose to receive them as a lump sum or line of credit, a monthly check, or any combination. Okay, so that was my first read through it. I need to become a little more familiar with the script because I really have not gone through this yet before. So now that I've been through it once, I should be a little more comfortable with it. Now I can just really, second time through, I'm just going to focus on how I feel about this, the idea of freedom, of liberty, of being able to access the funds that I need now to live the life that I need to live at this point in time, if I'm 62 or older. Liberty. It means having the freedom to act as you choose, to pursue your goals, and live the life you envision. Liberty Home Equity Solutions helps homeowners age 62 and older access a portion of the equity in their homes through a home equity conversion mortgage, also known as a reverse mortgage. It's a government-insured loan with the benefits of a traditional home equity loan without the monthly payments. You can get the funds you need quickly. Most Liberty loans close in 60 days or less. You can choose to receive them as a lump sum or line of credit, a monthly check, or any combination. So for me, that's a keeper. That's what I'm going to send in. Whether I get the job or not remains to be seen. But the point is, that is me. I mean, that's Bill DeWeese. That's not me trying to sound like somebody else. So if I don't get hired, yeah, it's a little vulnerable because essentially it's a rejection of my interpretation of me. Not as me as a person, but the way that I approach this, the way that I feel about it. And that's fine. I mean, you got to be okay with that. But I know my best chance of getting this job is to be authentic. And so anyhow, I hope this demonstration is of some help to you. And I just want to encourage you to bring yourself, your voice, to your auditions. Good luck.